All the water line is ran to it. We just got it mounted and screwed in, and we are flowing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're over at our cameraman's house, Kyle. He's part of the Midwest Invest channel here, and we are at his house. We're adding a new spigot in here, so we're gonna tap into his water line right here and throw a T in there, and we're gonna run a new water line down to here and drill through the plate here, go right outside, and then install a spigot right out here by his garage and his driveway out here. So he'll have a spigot out in the front. All right, so to start this project, we're gonna need some stuff. We're gonna run to Home Depot right now. I think we're gonna get a T here. We're gonna either get some 1/2 or 3/4 inch pipe. We haven't really decided yet. We're gonna look at the fittings when we get to Home Depot and see what looks best to connect to our spigot. Over here on the other side, they did do a 3/4 inch. I normally do 1/2 inch. It doesn't really matter, but we're gonna do one or the other. But we're gonna go to Home Depot, get all this stuff, the pipe and the fittings, and come back here and install it. So we're gonna run to Home Depot. We'll probably take you with us, and we'll be right back to get her done. You already know it, guys. We are at the Home Depot. Just checked out, got all the stuff to put in the spigot. We are heading back to Kyle's house. We're gonna throw the new water line, the spigot in, and we'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, we made it back to the basement. We got all our supplies here. All we gotta do is drill the hole from the outside through this plate here, and then we can stick the spigot in there. We wanna put it right about here, so we're gonna go about 2 feet off this window. So we just gotta go to the outside, measure over from the window, and drill right through here, and then we'll come back in, and we should be able to do the rest of the stuff from the inside once we get that drilled. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got this random piece of board in the way here, so we're trying to drill from back here through the board and come up through here. So we're gonna go ahead and drill the hole, but this thing is kind of in the way. We're not sure if we're gonna have to remove this board out of the way so we can have a better angle or what, but we're gonna just drill the hole first and then see if it kind of runs into a problem later down the road. So we're gonna go drill the hole.
Hey, so we're out here drilling this hole on the side of the house here. We realized we needed some light, so Joe's gonna pull up in the lifted F-150 and give us a nice bright light.
What's up, guys? We got some lights now. Alright guys, what's going on? We got this bad boy installed. All the water line is ran to it. We just got it mounted and screwed in, and we are flowing. Alright guys, so last night the camera died and it got late on us, so we're back over here the next day at Kyle's house, and we just want to show you the finished product. We got this water line all installed. We installed the T here, ran the pipe here, an elbow going down that way, got it mounted up to the joist here for support. New water lines running down to here. We got a T going right there and out to the new spigot, and it's installed right there by the driveway and the garage and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us installing this bad boy. If you liked it, for sure hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so you know when we're posting again, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.